Hoysala, who sent, in fact, donated an entire revenue from a village in the Hoysala Empire towards paying the jizya, or the tax that was put upon all the pilgrims that came to Kashi at the time of the Delhi Sultanate. So in fact, the idea of Bharat being one is portrayed more or less if you study the history of Karnataka. With this tremendous history, of course, all of the temples in South India, if you see from the Vijayanagara Empire to the Gangas, to the Rashtrakutas, to my own family, have found many much patronage from all of us, and together with the temples, the culture that surrounds it, and the fact that they are the centers of society was promulgated and patronized throughout time. And Karnataka has always been at the foremost and the forefront, along with every Bharatiya, towards this tradition. And I've always said, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ ಭಾರತೀಯನಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. Not every Bharatiya is a Kannadiga, but every Kannadiga is definitely a Bharatiya. And I think that is a worthy ideal for every person in this country to follow. We of course come with a diversity of cultures, a diversity of opinions, and a diversity of means of which we follow our traditions. But at the end of the day, we are all working towards this Bharat umbrella, and I think in many ways this Samskar Bharati is doing this through this cultural milieu that they have brought together here so wonderfully in Bangalore. So my many thanks to all of you. ನಮ್ಮ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅರಮನೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ. ಕೊನೆಯ ಭಾಷಣ ನಂದು, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮಗ ಆಗಬೇಡ, ಕೊನೆಯ ಭಾಷಣ ಕೊಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಆಗಲೇ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಘನ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆಗಲಿ ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. But saying that, once again, I wish this wonderful Sangama the very best, and I know that the cultural extravaganza that is here will be enjoyed by one and all. And as they rightfully say, it's not just for enjoyment, it's for our spiritual awakening, it's towards building a cohesive society, and at the end of the day, building back to the identity of what Bharat is and for Bharat Mata. So saying that, my pranams to all of you, and my thanks to the organizers. My goddess Chamundeshwari bless you all with immense happiness, abundant health, and prosperity and success, most importantly, in your every endeavor. Thank you very much.
ಭಾರತ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಭೂಪಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹೆಸರು ಚಿರಸ್ಥಾಯಿಯಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು, ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನಗಳು ಕಾರಣ. ಒಂದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಜಯನಗರದ್ದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನದ ರಾಜಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬಹುಶಃ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪುಣ್ಯ. ದೇ ಸೇ ವೆಲ್ ಬಿಗನ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಡನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಬಿಗನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೋ ವೆಲ್.
समानिव आकृतिः समाना हृदयानिवः समानमस्तु वो मनो यथा वह सुसहासति. हमारा उद्देश्य एक हो, हमारी भावनाएं सुसंगत हो, हमारा विचार संयोजित हो, जैसे इस विश्व के ब्रह्मांड के विभिन्न सिद्धांतों और क्रियाकलापों में तादात्म्यता और एकता हो.
On that note, may we request Shri Mysore Manjunath ji to kindly